Okay, last one, C. This time, same region on the base, but I'm going to build an isosceles right triangle that's perpendicular to the y-axis. So, pencil for the axes, pen for the curve, perpendicular to the y-axis. So this is going to be labeled the exact same way as it was in part A. So I got a negative root 25 minus y squared comma y, and I have a positive root 25 minus y squared comma y. And since I'm looking at the y's, my lower limit is a negative 5, 0. No, 0, negative 5, excuse me. I think I labeled that wrong up at the top too. And 0, positive 5. Let's go fix that top. I got 0, negative 5, and 0, 5. Excuse me for that. Then up here we've got an isosceles right triangle with the hypotenuse in the base. So that means this strip right here is going to be a length of 2 root 25 minus y squared, just like it was in part A. And now, instead of building an equilateral right triangle, I'm going to build an isosceles right triangle. So I have a right angle, and these two lengths are the same. So I need to get the volume of that slice, and we've got just a hair of thickness that is a dy. So the volume of that slice is going to be 1/2 the base times the height times a dy, and then we're going to add those all up. Again, rather than dragging all the way down to negative 5 and all the way up to positive 5, I'm going to double the accumulation from 0 to 5. So let's go figure out what that height is. If we think about this being a 45, 45, 90 triangle, that's what the isosceles is, and we drop the hypotenuse, we can see that we create another 45, 45, 90. That means this height is the same as half of that base, because these two have to be the same. This is going to be another isosceles right triangle. So half of that base is one of those roots. So if I simplify so that I can find the antiderivative, I've got a 2 times a half times a 2. That gives me 2 of those accumulations from 0 to 5 of the 25 minus y squared dy. So antiderivative is 25y minus a y cubed over 3. That gets evaluated from 0 to 5, which will give me 125 minus 125 over 3 minus 0. Then I have 3 of these 125s over 3 minus 1 of those 125s over 3 gives me 2 of those 125s over 3, or 2 times 250, which is 500 over 3.